class 7, this is your science class, and the topic today which we are going to start is modes of reproduction, page number 28 from the chapter reproduction in plants. So we will see what are the modes of reproduction. There are two types of reproduction, asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. First of all, we should know what is reproduction. Reproduction is a process in which new individuals are formed. Now let's see what is asexual reproduction. It is a type of reproduction in which an organism can reproduce without the involvement of another parent. Example are cutting and grafting, as you can see in this picture. A new plant can be grown by cutting off part of the stem with two or more nodes. When you place that cutted stem in the soil, it will grow into the new plant. So the new plant arises from the vegetative part, and these vegetative parts are leaf, stem and root. There is no seed or spore formation. Sexual reproduction, it is a process in which two individuals are involved. It is basically the interaction between two specialized cells called gametes, one from each parent, which contributes to form the zygote, and this zygote developed into seed. So the new plant in the sexual reproduction arises through reproductive part, and these reproductive parts are flowers. There is fruit and seed formation. Now comes the question answers. So the question is, what are the different kinds of reproduction? You will draw the margin and place the line in the center to separate the two columns, one for asexual reproduction and other for sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction definition: the reproduction in which a cell from only one parent develops into offspring. Example: cutting, grafting, layering are few methods of asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction definition: the reproduction in which two gametes, one from each parent, combine to form zygote. Example: flowers are responsible in plants for sexual reproduction, and the zygote forms in this process develops into the seed.